What is up, guys? So I was able to get the full details, or should I just say the key details of the upcoming Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra. It seems the device would officially launch in April. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top features that I was able to get. It's impressive, guys. So according to the details, the Armor 26 Ultra is going to have a 6.78 inch full HD plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and expectedly it's going to be rated IP68 and IP69K. It's also going to be military grade standard H certified. More details revealed that the device is going to be a very bulky device, and that is because of a lot of reasons, guys, one of which is its large 15,600 mAh battery, guys. The device is set to support 120 watt fast charging, which is impressive. In the camera department, it's going to feature quad rear camera setup consisting of a 200MP primary sensor. It is a Samsung HP3 followed by a 64MP night vision camera, while the specs of the remaining two camera lenses remains hidden. The device is going to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor. So additional features include walkie-talkie. That's right, guys, this device is going to support walkie-talkie. It's also going to support a two-way satellite messaging, the same as the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra, and it's going to be powered by Bullet satellite messaging service as well. I forgot to mention that the front-facing camera is 50MP, guys. You shouldn't have to worry about this device because it is just built really well. Its charging port has a cover, guys, and I don't know if the device is going to feature an in-display optical fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, but some sources claim it's going to be a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, guys. So these are just some of the top features of the Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra. Once I get more details about this device, I'll let you guys know. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to launch in April. It's coming in April, guys. So these are the details I wanted to share with you guys. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.